If you're in the market to get a 2023 Camaro, your options are getting even more limited on top of the prices getting more expensive. Let's talk about it in today's Camaro news. Today's Lethal Garage video is sponsored by none other than Lethal Garage. Check out our custom flex fuel kits using OEM parts direct from GM. Available for your 6th gen, 5th gen Camaro SS, or your 5th gen and 6th gen Camaro ZL1. Have a Silverado or Sierra, we have those covered too, along with the Cadillac CTS-Vs, Chevy SS sedans, and many more. Check it out at lethalgarage.com. What is going on, Camaro fans, friends, family from around the globe? We are back. Welcome to Lethal Garage. My name is Matt Everett. Most people know me as Lethal Camaro. My Camaros are hibernating currently. 6th gen's under a cover, 71 is, well, still getting finished. But today, I got some Camaro news for you guys. And before I get into it, just want to highlight, for all those supporting the channel, checking out videos and everything, hit that subscribe button, likes buttons, all that stuff. It all helps with the crazy algorithm, gets people to see the videos. Things sometimes just don't surface to the wider audience. So subscribing, viewing when the video goes live, and hitting those thumbs up definitely helps the channel. Definitely appreciate it, but let's get to the news. So GM, with their 2023 model year, we've talked about a couple things already that are changing or coming about. If you guys missed the last video, there's a big price increase across all models from the LS all the way up to the ZL1. And now we're finding out information that they're removing options and availability for not a ton of stuff, but a few things that I think people would find beneficial or things that they would want to add to their vehicle. So I'm going to be looking at my list. I got a huge list on my phone here, and I'm just going to go through the things that are now no longer available. First up, the visible carbon fiber spoiler has been discontinued, and the sports pedals will no longer be available. I don't know how many people out there bought the sports pedals, and with the visible carbon fiber spoiler, does that mean that the painted black one is still available? I'm assuming so. Usually the painted black ones are for the spoilers that the carbon fiber just doesn't look great. Maybe they're running into issues with their distributors and being able to make exposed carbon fiber that looks good. That's disappointing. Very disappointing. All 4 engine options are still going to be carried over. So if you guys are curious, I've seen people pop up around the turbo 2.0s are going to be offered, etc. But basically the 6.2 V8, the 3.6 V6, the 2.0 turbo, and the 6.2 V8 supercharged LT4 are all going to be available moving for the 2023 year. Now, I have heard of hiccups towards the end of the 2022 model year, manual transmissions being on back order, certain things causing allocations not to get fulfilled, etc. I don't know if that's the case going into 2023 models. So far, it seems like all the RPOs haven't been limited. So also for the 2023 models, the interior black appearance package is no more. So this was something you didn't necessarily order from factory. This was something that was dealer installed. It was a $175 add-on kit for black door accent trim and the black suede knee pads. It was an LPO option. It sounds like you can still order these as a standalone option from your dealership, probably while supplies last, but you can't add it to an order for a full vehicle coming from the factory. It's weird. I don't understand that quite drastically, but yeah. You can no longer opt for door accent trim in black, red, and white. The black and red door accent retail for $400, while the white costs $415. And these accents were available on the lower trim models, but not on the 3LT, the 2SS, and the ZL1 models. So the other big turn down, and unfortunately my car's covered right now, or I would show you, but GM made a body kit for the 6th gen Camaro, and they updated it for the 19 plus models when they adjusted the front ends and the rear ends a little bit. And they made it to where those body kits could fit all of the models. So if you had the new one or the old one, it was gonna fit your vehicle. Well, the black accent package, so the side skirts, the front splitter, and the rear extension are no longer gonna be available. I don't know why. It makes me sound like they're possibly still gonna offer the body colored options, but the satin black rocker moldings and the satin black front splitter and the second generation splitter, I should say, no more. No more. This package was available on all trim levels except for the high-performance Chevy Camaro ZL1 and could be ordered on both the coupe and convertible models. The package was $1,995 to equip on the 2022 Camaro across the board, outside of the ZL1, because the ZL1 has its own unique package. Basically, I added the GM package for my 2016 model, and I liked it because the rear end was more like the ZL1 setup. Now, the ZL1 has a unique rear lower bumper fascia. They obviously have the ZL1 side skirts, which are unique, and then the front splitter and everything are completely different on the ZL1 because it's a ZL1. It has a half-inch wider setup on both sides, 1 inch overall, so you can't just bolt on SS parts or ZL1 parts, vice versa, etc. So, also with the change of the black accent package, it means the black accent exterior package is no longer available. That was a $4,900 or $4,095 option. It included more than just the body kit. I believe it was updated wheels. Yeah, so the package added 20-inch 5 split spoke satin black wheels, and when ordered with the 1LT, 2LT, 3LT, and the LT1 trim levels, or 20-inch 5 split spoke satin black wheels when ordered with the 1SS or the 2SS. So body kit wise, you're not getting the GM kit. There's plenty of kits out there that mimic it or offer something similar. I think most people opt for the aftermarket. There's still, it sounds like the body color option is still there. A lot of people go that route. You could always have those parts painted black if you wanted to go black. Also, just to throw out there, GM is still rumored to be coming out with a 2024 collector's edition package. They're saying the vehicle is going to be a yellow, probably with black stripes. None of this is confirmed. Muscle Cars and Trucks, I believe, is the site, was the first to kind of break the news around that. Seems like it may still be coming. They've reiterated multiple times, their sources say it's still coming. A lot of people still believe 2023 is going to be the end of the Camaro, and maybe this collector's edition is the only thing available in 2024. We don't know. GM has not said nothing. They haven't said anything about the Camaro actually being canceled. They haven't said anything about this potential collector's edition package. They haven't said anything about the potential rumors that were released like what, 5, 6, 7 months ago that we were hearing about that basically didn't come to fruition. GM's just been quiet. They're just going along their merry day and not responding to rumors or comments or anything like that. So if Muscle Cars and Trucks is correct, there could be a special edition coming for 2024, but I just like to reiterate 2023 has no bearing whatsoever of being the end of model year for the Camaro or end of cycle period for the Camaro. At least GM has not officially been on the books that has said anything that I have seen. Does that mean no one has said it? No, but it publicly has not been stated. There's no press release, there's no nothing. I'm pretty sure they'll, you know, whenever if they do release this collector's edition car, will be like, hey, we're saying goodbye to the Camaro. Here's the exclusive collector's final edition, whatever they end up calling it, heritage or whatever, and have a good day, good night. We're making electric cars now. Yeah. But there you have it. There's some Camaro news for you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, or any of the things that they've removed or not going to be available. Does that speak to you guys? Is that something you guys were interested in? Does that speak to GM getting rid of parts and pieces to wind down the production of the Camaro? I think that's kind of a tail sign. Like black side skirts and splitters, that's, I mean, maybe they're just running into manufacturing issues, but if they're discontinuing it, like, that sounds like we're coming to an end here, guys. It's, yeah. Either or. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, guys, see you on the road.